As a result of the coronavirus outbreak, it affects the world economy in the most severe manner, making the quickest and the deepest impact that shook the entire economy. Businesses have been faced with the difficulty of discovering ways to operate remotely. NetSuite ERP provides you a cloud-based services such as NetSuite ERP is a complete, scalable cloud ERP solution targeted at high-growing, mid-sized businesses and large enterprises. NetSuite CRM is a robust and powerful customer relationship management solution that provides companies of all sizes a complete 360-degree view of their customers in real time. Suite Commerce enables businesses to move from siloed online, in-store and phone shopping channels to an integrated commerce solution that seamlessly connects e-commerce and in-store POS. NetSuite Suite Billing helps companies streamline billing operations and provides real-time visibility into billing and financial activity. Get in-depth knowledge on topics like how to use CRM and ERP, sales management, supply chain management, and many more. Saturo Technology provides the best advanced Oracle NetSuite training, where you can learn all of this by our industry expert. Join us today and enhance your career as a NetSuite ERP professional.